Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a 1222 cartridge quickly and efficiently. Whether your faucet is leaking or the water pressure is off, this fix is simpler than you think. Let's dive in. Recommends these tools: adjustable wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, an Allen wrench. Replacement 1222 cartridge. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. First, turn off the water supply to your faucet. Locate the valves under your sink and twist them clockwise until they're fully closed. If you can't find these valves, you'll need to shut off the main water supply to your home. Next, open the faucet to relieve any remaining pressure and drain the water. This will make the process cleaner and easier. Step 2. Disassemble the faucet. Now, remove the faucet handle. Depending on your faucet model, you may need an Allen wrench to loosen a set screw, or a Phillips screwdriver to remove a top-mounted screw. Step 3. Remove the retaining clip and cartridge. Once the handle is off, you'll see the cartridge. Look for the retaining clip that holds it in place. Use needle nose pliers to carefully remove the clip. Next, grab the cartridge stem with your pliers and pull it straight out. If it's stuck, you can use a cartridge removal tool, which is sold at most hardware stores. Step 4. Install the new cartridge. Now it's time to install the new cartridge. Align it properly by matching the tabs on the cartridge with the notches inside the valve. Push it in firmly until it's seated. Replace the retaining clip to secure the cartridge. Make sure it's fully inserted to prevent leaks. Step 5. Reassemble the faucet. Reattach the handle and tighten the screw or set screw. Make sure everything is snug but don't over-tighten, as this can damage the components. Step 6. Turn on the water supply. Turn the water supply back on and slowly open the faucet to check for leaks. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your 1222 cartridge. A few bonus tips: always keep a spare 1222 cartridge on hand for future replacements. If you encounter stubborn mineral buildup, soak the area with vinegar before removing the cartridge. Remember to clean your aerator periodically for optimal water flow. And there you have it. Replacing a 1222 cartridge is easier than you think. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.